So guys, enter the model number in the Google search box. After that, you can see in the result msi.com, this official website, so you can click to download. You just click to download and then click to support. Scroll down, select driver and download, then click to BIOS, select the driver, then select operating system which is required for OS for Windows 10 or 11. But both operating system, driver download and installations process same. Then chipset. So first chipset and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time, depend about your internet speed. Then first download all. Then I show you installation process. Then VGA. So VGA graphic display you can say and download. Then audio driver. This is audio driver and click to download. Then LAN driver. So PCI Ethernet driver and click to download. So then guys, this is completed. Then click to phone download and go to the locations where it is downloading. So this location is to complete it. So first one by one and I show you installation. So first VGA driver, double click and just double click to open Intel VGA driver, and this is the installer. You just double click. After that, click for yes or administrator rights. Now this is installing, loading, please wait. It will take some time and next to installed, and then click to bring installed, collecting amount service, and then done from this installed. After that, click to OK. When it is completed, then close it. Then next, BT means Bluetooth driver. Just a single click to open, and again Intel Bluetooth driver to open, and this is Intel Bluetooth driver. Now this installing. So next I accept, and then again click to next, and typically, and then click to install. After that, click again yes for the administrator rights. Now you can see it is installed complete. And then finished. Close. Then network driver, LAN driver, just double click to open, and Win11 double click to open. This is set up, just open same exe format and then click to yes. Now you can see it is start installations. No suitable driver. So when you getting this, just click to install, and then after the install, just close it. This is 10 GB per second driver. Then Intel chipset driver, open it. So Intel, open again, and this is setups of chipset. Just double click to launch of exe, and then next, accept, install, and then yes. So it is done. Then click to OK and then close it. Then VGA driver. So just double click. No, this is installed. Then Wi-Fi driver. Just open it. Open Intel Wi-Fi, and driver. So go to the install and wireless setup, just double click. Then next, I accept, agree the license and conditions. Then click to install, and then again click to. Now you can see this is our installations of Wi-Fi driver, wireless driver of this motherboard. And then click to finish and then close. Then audio driver, USB audio, and this is launcher, so click on this and then click to yes. And then click yes, and then it is installing. So then it is all completed. Okay, LAN driver already installed, network driver. So all the install one by one, and then guys restart your system and then please check. Okay, so if you are facing some issues and errors, so please comment me, I will give you solutions and support. Okay guys, thank you.